I just made this test part and it changes colors every 2 millimeters, and I program PrusaSlicer to do that automatically. So what I do is import an object and then you slice it. And now you have this slider that tells you the height and how many layers there are. So if I click on this gear and say 5 millimeters, it says there's at 5 millimeters, there's 25 layers of filament. If I hold the shift and hit the plus, I can say change the color to green or any color. And then I can hit this gear again and say, okay, at 12 millimeters, let's go to hello, okay? And then at 24 millimeters, let's go to red, okay? So that's done, and whatever the last color is, that's what the rest of the part will be. Now, you have to slice it again, and then if you scroll down here, you can see the colors and how many minutes it will take for each one and how many millimeters of filament it will take. So that's pretty cool.